Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips. This week we're on location at one of our favorite breweries, Second Dawn Brewing, next to Stanley Market on Dallas Street in Aurora. This week we're going to talk to you about the importance of home insurance. The main tip here is to review your home insurance annually. Why is that? Well, when you do insurance, you're insuring your home up to a certain replacement cost. That is based off close to the value of your home. As we all know, in the Denver market, your home is increasing in value, and so are the costs to replace it are increasing in value. So if you purchased your home at $500,000 and put a replacement cost of maybe $400,000, $450,000, and in 3 years your home may be worth $700,000, it's important that you also ask your insurance to increase your replacement cost. Yes, your insurance is going to increase, but God forbid you have an event and a fire, you would not be insured for the full replacement of your home. I think we remember some of the horrible events of the Marshall Fire and also the East Troublesome Fire that left many, many people without homes, and their insurance did not cover the replacement of their home. If you have an HOA, a condo or a townhome, make sure that you attend the annual budget meeting and inquire about the insurance that they carry and how much it covers. Again, for all of you out there, review your insurance policy annually. It's an easy call and it gives you a little bit extra sleep at night. Be sure to follow our social media feeds, and we'll see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.